which fun fact is fits my channel so much because the name and logo of the project is tiger, so I think that's pretty fun. So let's get started with showing you this project. So the name of the project is Kaplan.finance. Kaplan is a Turkish name for the largest living cat species, which is an apex predator, generally known as tiger. It's made to create awareness about how endangered the animal is. Here is some social medias of the project, which are Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram, which I recommend you to join if you're interested in the project. Here is the button to purchase the token on the PancakeSwap. So as you can see, you can choose the value of BNB, for example, and exchange it to the Kaplan token. So let's be back to the site and see what's next. Let's scroll down and see what's next. As I said, what is Kaplan? Tiger is decreasing in population as about 95% of tiger population worldwide is no longer in existence since the beginning of the 20th century due to the habitat loss, hunting, and illegal trade in tiger parts. Currently, the total number of tiger available worldwide is around 3,900 as reported by World Wildlife Fund WWF as of 2021. Since Kaplan keeps decreasing by the day, we will be conducting token burning in phases as the community grows in numbers so as to increase the price and as well avoid inflation. The token burning will be carried out in 3 phases. In the first phase of token burning, which will take place after 5 days of launching, we will burn 20% of the token, which we will see the deletion of 1 million of the tokens in circulation. The second phase of token burning will be another deletion of 5% of the token. The third phase, which will be the last phase of the token burning, will be the burning of 5% as well of the token, which will reduce the total supply of the token to 70%. So that's good to hear, definitely. Every time a transaction is completed, a 10% transaction fee is charged, which means 3% goes to charity, 4% is rewarded to our holders, and 3% goes into locked liquidity pool. This means that as far as you are holding Kaplan token, your balance will increase anytime a transaction is done with Kaplan token. You don't need to trade to benefit, simply owning the token will bring you a lot of benefits. Hold on. That means basically about the passive income, the owning token I mean. So here we got the white paper, which is the document where we got all the details about the project. So if you're interested in the project, I definitely recommend you to read it. So I think we can be back to the main site and see what's next. And the next thing is economics, token name, Kaplan Finance, of course, token symbol, KPL, total supply, as you can see, that is a huge amount, a network, a Binance Smart Chain, specification, BEP 20, and here we got the contract address, reward 4%, liquidity pool 3%, and charity 3%, which is also like real and good to have the information about anything. And also the purchase button on PancakeSwap. Here we got a roadmap, which are the plans of the project. So let's get started with showing you the roadmap. A website and social media release, pre-sale, PancakeSwap listing, first phase of token burning 20%, publicity, CoinGecko listing, second phase of token burning 5%, NFT, donation, and for the last one is the last phase, which is third phase of token burning 5%. So Kaplan Finance is the name of for the largest living cat species, which is an apex predator generally known as the tiger. That is the introduction, which was on the beginning, as you remember. So here we got some links like contract, the Kaplan, the economics, roadmap, and the email for contact the founders of the project, so you can ask anything on the email, or you can join the social medias and ask them there any question you want. So I think that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!